Hey, if you want to know how to find the latest trends on TikTok, keep on watching. You don't need any tool, you don't need to pay for anything, you can do it for free. Before we jump into the video, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Okay, now let's jump right into this. So we all know TikTok is about the trends, so what's happening right now, and the trends in United States may be different from trends in Canada or United Kingdom, right? So how do you find trends in your country, your location? So let me show you how. It's a free tool, actually a free feature from TikTok. No one knows. You don't need any like third-party tools for this. So what we're gonna do is, so watch this. We're gonna go to ads.tiktok.com. So it's gonna take you right here, TikTok for Business. Again, the URL was ads.tiktok.com, or you can just go to tiktok.com/business. And then once you're here, you're going to click on these three bars on the top, and then under resources, you are going to find Creative Center, which is right here. So let's click on that, and then it's going to open its separate tab. All right, let's say it's a Creative Center, Business Creative Center. Scroll down, Inspiration, and look at this. So you can see top ads on TikTok, popular trends. That's the trending content. That's what you want to see, and then also the showcases, which is the best practices. So let's click on popular trends and scroll down. So right now it's showing in Vietnam. I want to see in the United States. I live in the United States, so I'm going to click on Find More, and then this is it. This is so cool. So you're on this page right here. All right, so now you can, first of all, you can select the time, 7 days or 30 days. Let's select do the 7 days. Region, this is important. So I am gonna select United States, and then you can sort by likes, comments, shares, whatever you want. Let's go with likes, and then scroll down. It's already shared. There you go. So it's just refreshed. So here are all the trends, the hot, the popular trends on TikTok in the United States. This is so cool. And guys, guess what? What you can do is, from this point, you can consume some of these trends and see how you can apply this to your business, right? So maybe there's something going on that's directly relevant if you're in fashion, beauty, music, e-commerce. There may be things that are directly relevant to your business, and you may be able to redo or duet or stitch that trend and get a lot of reach and engagement. Super awesome. If you want to view more, you'll just click on this and it's going to load all of this, right? This is so cool. All right, so let's go back, and if I want to sort by the shares, I'll just kind of click on this right here. So now I will see the popular trending content sorted by the number of shares. Did it refresh? There you go. Now it refreshed. And look at this. It's just amazing. So it's a free tool, kind of like a hidden. I wish that it was like more people knew about this, but it's from TikTok. It's one of their features. You can explore the top trending content very easily. You don't have to pay for any crazy tools or use any third-party apps. Very easy to do. If you have any questions about growing on TikTok or using TikTok for your business, leave those questions below in the comments. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I am going to see you in the next one. Bye for now.